Pick confirm your movement requests in Oracle Cloud. Hi, I'm Linus, and in today's video I'll show you how we confirm our pick slips in inventory management. In order to confirm anything here, we need to have some open pick slips. That's why in the last videos we created a movement request and then ran the print movement request pick slip report to create our pick slips. So now let's jump into the demo environment and see how to confirm these pick slips. To confirm our picks, we want to go to supply chain execution and then to inventory management. And in inventory management, you can click on the first tile where it says open picks. So click on the circle and it will lead you to the open pick slip site where you can then pick confirm. Just as a heads up, you will need the shipping manager data access to be able to confirm pick slips. To now confirm that we picked the material and physically moved it, click on the hyperlink where the pick slip is. And obviously this one only has one line. And then you can check this box, ready to confirm, and click on confirm. You could change the quantity if you over or under picked. So if you did not move what was requested, but another quantity. But for now, let's say we wanted to move 2 and we picked and moved 2. So let's click on confirm. So this is how you confirm your picks in Oracle Cloud. This is also the moment that the actual location of the items that you moved changes in Oracle. So when you now go to manage item quantities and open the subtabs to see where your items are at, you will now see that they actually moved. So this was the last step for our manual requisition movement request, but not the last step for movement requests in general, because as you may know, movement requests can also be created as the result of a min-max planning. So if you want to learn more about that, make sure to go to panemir.com and check out the completely free course and get a free certification for inventory management.